Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix the infinite loading for the Rockstar edit. I've been researching this. Most people be saying your mod does make unlimited loading screen, and they are right, they are correct. So the main thing that you can do, you can open it's your mods, the mods that you have on, so you can just stop your game from playing. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to settings and you're gonna go where your game is located. Go to manage, where's plus local files. When you're in local files, you came here, you open your recycle bin. Make sure on your recycle bin there's nothing, but even if there's something, it doesn't matter. Just make sure your recycle clean is clean. So I'm just gonna delete this scripts file. So after deleting this script file, basically you're not gonna play the game, you're just gonna make the game. Like the script file, there's a lot of script modes in the script file that's preventing your game from loading, so you're not gonna try anything that's from there. Right now you're just gonna open the game, head straight to Rockstar Editor, bro. You don't even need to do anything else, you just head straight to Rockstar Editor. And when you want to play the game, make sure you record first. So guys, this is after I deleted the scripts mod. That car you see right there, that vehicle, I saved it to the car park mode, which is, and it's still showing. As you can see, it says ETG6K in the back. So you're gonna go straight to Rockstar Editor. You don't even need to do anything else. So make sure record your clips and then exit the game, go delete the script, then go back to your game and open the clips. When you go back to play the game again, make sure your game, as you can see, it's loading faster, meaning it's actually loading everything. So you see it's gonna load everything there. When you go back to play your game, make sure you install that script file again. So right now, as you can see, this can really load it in. Let's do this. I really don't use this to exit the game, I just use this. So the reason that I say you should keep your pin clean. So now if you want to go back and play the game or record something that's extra, exit the game, go back, restore this, don't delete it, restore it to your files. Make sure it's restored to your files again. If this helped you, subscribe, leave a thumbs up so the video can reach more people, and thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Peace out.